Hello lovely people, if you're planning to travel to Spain or anywhere in the Schengen area from October onwards, this affects you. Big changes are coming to EU borders, and yes, it's actually happening this time, and I have an exact launch date for you. Stick around and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Welcome to YouTooSpain. The Entry-Exit System, or EES, is the new high-tech digital border control system that will replace the old passport stamp system for non-EU nationals, including Brits, Americans, Australians, basically anyone from outside the EU. It will log your entry and exit automatically and store biometric data like fingerprints and facial scans. Is that creepy? Or is it just efficient? Or is it both? Tell me in the comments. After years of delays, the EU Commission has finally confirmed that EES will start rolling out on the 12th of October 2025, beginning with about half of all EU border checkpoints. By 6 months later, it's expected to be fully operational. And just to be clear, this isn't just for airports. That means seaports, ferries, trains, they're all in the mix too. Well, the British Foreign Office has already warned everyone to expect longer queues when the system starts up. That's because every non-EU traveller will have to have their face scanned, give their fingerprints and have their details logged, even if it's for a short visit. The EES is meant to catch people who overstay, prevent fraud and improve security. Now that's all fair enough, but if the tech or the staff aren't quite ready, there could be a few hiccups. But that's why it's being rolled out in stages. The first 6 months is a chance to iron out all of the difficulties. Any questions? And here's where I want your help. In a few weeks, I'll do a follow-up video showing what this will actually look like at airports and ferry terminals and train stations, and I'll give you the step-by-step process. So, questions. What do you want to know? For example, will this delay your holiday? What about children or people with mobility issues? Can you opt out of biometrics? Will you have to go through the biometrics setup process every time you travel? Drop your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you travel to Spain or anywhere in Europe, and don't miss the next one. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of how EES will work in practice. Hasta luego, peas and fluff, and I'll see you soon. Watch this video next. It's over there or over there. Bye.